Hey guys, this is Nicholas. I recently bought this Alienware 32-inch curved gaming monitor. Today I'm gonna show you how to update this firmware to the latest version using the Alienware Command Center on my Alienware gaming laptop. Some people may ask, why do I need to update the firmware if my monitor is working just fine? There are primarily 5 different reasons why you need to do that. The first reason is to fix bugs and compatibility issues such as random black screen or signal dropouts. It can also solve problems such as monitor not waking up from sleep. This is especially relevant if you change graphics cards or gaming consoles. The second reason is to improve USB-C, docking, and hub behavior. Many early USB-C monitor issues are firmware related, not hardware defects. The third reason is to enhance gaming features such as FreeSync or G-Sync compatibility. It can also reduce input lags and fix HDR tone mapping bugs. The fourth reason is to improve image quality and color accuracy. Some updates may adjust factory color calibration, gamma curves, and local dimming behavior. The fifth reason is to add features or unlock standards. This may sometimes add new resolutions or refresh rates. It may also enable features that were advertised but buggy at launch. Alright, I hope at least one of these reasons convinced you to update the firmware. Let me go ahead and show you how. Because this is an Alienware gaming monitor, we need to use the Alienware Command Center to update it. If you have an Alienware gaming desktop or laptop, it should come pre-installed. Otherwise, you have to download it. After you installed it, you can easily find it from the Windows search bar. In the Command Center, you can see all your Alienware hardware. Go ahead and click on the monitor. After that, click on the setting icon on the top right corner, and then click on the right arrow underneath it until you see the update icon, which is the second last one. Once you click on it, you can see the current version of firmware of the monitor and the available new version underneath it. There is a note saying that the update may take 12 minutes and the Alienware Command Center will be unavailable during the update. However, there is a cross behind the note USB cable connected, and the update icon underneath it is grayed out. That means that we need to connect the monitor with a USB cable in order to update the firmware. Here is a USB cable with a Type-A connector on one side and a Type-B connector at the other side. Go ahead and plug the Type-A connector to your laptop or desktop's USB Type-A port. Find the USB Type-B upstream port on the gaming monitor. Remember, it only works with this port. The USB Type-A ports on the monitors are downstream ports and will not work. Once the USB cable is connected, you can click on the update icon and the update will begin. It did take about 12 minutes, so let's just fast forward to the end. Once the firmware got updated to about 99%, the monitor will reboot itself. There is also a warning saying, please do not move, unplug or turn off the device. After a couple seconds, it pops up with the text, firmware updated successfully. Please click OK button to finish process. Now you can go ahead and click on the OK button to finish the firmware update. Next, let's check to make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Go ahead and click on the monitor icon. After that, click on the setting button and then the update button underneath it. As you can see, the firmware has been updated to M2C102, which is the latest version at this time. Alright guys, I hope this video helps. The monitor that I'm using now is the Alienware 32-inch curved gaming monitor. I really like it and I have a separate unboxing video of it if you are interested. If you like this video, can you give it a thumbs up? I'll greatly appreciate that. And if you enjoy watching these type of contents, can you subscribe to my channel? Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, bye for now.